Hello and welcome, Lego fans, to Bricksntech Sunday morning builds. Today we are going back to brick sketches, and this is number 6 of the series, and it's Disney and Friends, or Disney Mickey and Friends Minnie Mouse set number 40457. Comes with 140 pieces. I think this will be a fairly quick build, maybe 15 minutes. And I say that because we have a fairly basic bottom layer followed by quite some large plates, and then the layering of that. And it doesn't look like there's too many small pieces. So I think this will be about a 15-minute build. You can see I've got my existing brick sketches laid out at the moment. We have Stormtrooper, Batman, the Joker, BB-8, and Mickey Mouse, and there are 2 others, Iron Man and Spider-Man, in the series that we'll get to over the course of this year. So with this build here, I don't think there'll be too much to review. It will go nicely with Mickey, but I don't think there'll be too much to it. I'm hoping I get a nice surprise in there somewhere. You might be asking why I have got these guys set up here, and that's because I am struggling to connect them to the wall without using any sort of adhesive. So I thought I'd have these out on display during the build. So I think it's time to get into the speed build and then come back for the review. So please, if you like this content, like and subscribe, and see you soon. Hello, welcome back. Thank you for hanging around for the review. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Here we have Minnie Mouse, set number 40457 of the Brick Sketches collection. And as I expected, a 15-minute build. I was accurate to that. It was a simple build, very basic back plating, and then the larger pieces for the ears and rounding out the face. Made this very simple, similar to Mickey Mouse, as you would expect. So really not a great deal to go through in comparison for a review. The eyelashes were interesting, part usage, but very, very straightforward. The bow does move and also comes off reasonably easy. The bow does move, but it's not a playable set. So really there's not much to it. So I don't actually have too much to say, except really that if I had done these two as the first 2 of the brick sketches, I probably have more to say about them and more positive things to say about them. Because, as I say, for all these brick sketches, the brick sketches are great for learning layering technique. And I think if these 2 came out first, pretty sure Batman was the first one to come out, followed by the Stormtrooper. If these 2 would have come out first, I think that would have had a better reflection on my experience with building these. But having built Stormtrooper and the Joker in particular, more intricate, more interesting elements to create the layering effect. So not a great deal to say about Minnie Mouse, except I'm pleased she's part of my collection. So with that said, we'll end it there. It's only a short one today. Appreciate you hanging around and watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment if you have any feedback for me. And hopefully next time we'll have something. I don't know what we will have. I've run out of brickheads. I've got a couple more brick sketches, but I don't want to do too many of those back to back, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Lego will be releasing new sets very soon, and might pick up one or two of those. And I do have, if you can see in the background, I do have Optimus Prime there that I might do a review on as well. That's a fantastic build. But for now, that's it for Sunday morning builds for this week. Bye for now.